Another test of the much-awaited BMW F450 GS has been seen, this time in what looks to be its production-ready configuration. Although the motorbike was heavily camouflaged during earlier sightings, the most recent spy photos provide the best view to yet of BMW Motorrad's impending entry-level adventure tourer. In contrast to the previous concept model, the most recent test mule has completely completed bodywork that suggests its touring-focused attitude. This includes a tall touring-style windscreen, vertically stacked LED headlamps, and a larger rear portion. With 19-inch front and 17-inch rear alloy wheels, this version is road-biased. In the future, BMW is anticipated to release a more off-road-oriented model, most likely with tubeless cross-spoke wheels for improved performance on rough terrain. The BMW F450 GS will have a steel bridge trellis frame with a bolt-on subframe underneath the bodywork. It contains the brand-new 450 cubic centimeters parallel twin motor, which has a peak torque of about 45 Nm and 48 horsepower. BMW says this engine will be very characterful and rev-happy when combined with a 6-speed transmission. The concept bike included a 6.5-inch color TFT display, a 14-liter gasoline tank, and a weight of 175 kilograms. It is anticipated that the other parameters will not change. However, the production model's curb weight may slightly rise as a result of additional hardware and road-ready components. It is anticipated that the BMW F450 GS would be on sale in late 2025. When it launches, it will compete with the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450, Aprilia Tuono 457, and KTM 390 Duke.